mother of democracy. Today, when I look at this topic, I see three aspects: the progress of Indian Constitution over the years, the current challenges, and Indian Constitution towards Viksit Bharat 2047. Over the past 75 years, there hasn't been a sector where Indian Constitution didn't play a major role. From granting universal adult franchise in 1950 to providing judicial interpretation of rights. Landmark judgments like abolition of Article 370 and 35A, triple talaq, right to education, national education policy, right to privacy, criminal laws, GST has played a crucial role in expanding the provisions of Indian Constitution. And while I respect the views of all the participants present here, I want to ask a question: has the Constitution failed us, or have we failed the Constitution? Talking about the framers of a Constitution presented a framework which says that we must secure all the citizens of justice of social, economic and political. But today, when I look at my nation, I see, despite our GDP increasing, the gap between the rich and the poor keeps widening, and we talk about economic justice. There are civil wars going in one part of the country, and we are busy with the elections, and we talk about social justice. We must reflect not only on the rights that the Constitution guarantees us, but also the reality that we have created. Somewhere we have failed our Constitution. Talking about the third aspect, respected jury members, I see and I imagine 25 years from now our Constitution evolving to face the challenges of the digital and globalized world. Climate change might lead to recognition of environmental rights. This tells us how a Constitution can be a dynamic and we can bring changes in the Constitution. This helps in shaping our India and taking it forward, leading to Viksit Bharat 2047. I would end my speech with the words quoted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, that in a country it is not only the Constitution that is important, but also people's willingness to adhere to it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
अब हमारे बीच आ रही